Hello guys, welcome back extended video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change Snapchat logo. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open any browser, tap on Chrome. From here you search for this Snapchat logo. You as can see, select anyone and tap on long press and tap on download and tap on download again and tap on this and tap on download image, download again. After that, go back to your home screen, and from here what you need to do it, tap on Play Store. From here you install this app, X icon changer, and after this install app you tap on open. From here what you need to do is select your Snapchat, tap on Snapchat and select on photo and tap on gallery. From here your Snapchat, select your picture and tap on done and tap on OK. From here tap on add, and after that I hope your Snapchat logo will be changed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.